Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Excel Max and Board. Today we'll continue with modular arithmetic of applied mathematics. Okay, already we have released one video on this topic. Now we'll continue with that. Find 6 power 12 mod 7. So how should you write the question as 6 power 12 is congruent to x mod 7. That is what is given as. And you are asked to find what is the value of x. Okay, now let us write what is 6 power 12. We know that 6 squared is equal to 36. 36 when divided by 7 gives 1 as the remainder. So I can write 36 is congruent to 1 mod 7. Because I have told you already, keeping 1 here would be so much easier. Now I want 6 power 12. So raising it to the power 6 on both sides, I get 6 squared, the whole power 6 is congruent to 1 power 6 mod 7. So I can write 6 power 12 because 6 a power m power n is a power m, and therefore 6 power 12 is congruent to 1 mod 7. This is the answer. So find 6 power 12 mod 7. So the answer is 1. Okay. Find the last digit of 17 power 17. So here it is given 17 power 17 is congruent to. So you have to find, the question is to be framed like this only. Is congruent to x mod what? 10. Why am I writing it as 10? Is asking the last digit. We know the digits are from 0 to 9. So we'll get reminders from 0 to 9 when we divide by 10. The least number where we get the reminders of unit digit is 10. So he is asking 17 power 17 is congruent to what mod 10? That is what the question is. Okay. So we'll try to proceed. I know that 17 square is nothing but 289. I am equating the value here. 289 divided by 10 because mod 10 gives you 9 as the remainder. So it is 9 mod 10. This much I know. Now I am raising it to the power of 2 on both sides. So what happens? 17 square the whole square is congruent to 9 square mod 10. Is it not? Raising to the power on both sides. Now 9 square is 81. 81 when divided by 10 gives you 1 as the remainder. So I can continue how that is 17 power 4 is congruent to, y is 2 2s are 4, is congruent to 1 mod 10. That is what I have arrived at. Now he is asking 17 power 17. So I can raise to the power of 4 on both sides. So I can write 17 power 4 to the power 4 is congruent to 1 power 4 mod 10. So 1 power 4 is nothing but again 1 only. So I can write 17 power 16, but I want 17 power 17. So I can write okay. So 17 power 16 I have arrived at, but I want 17 power 17. So multiplying by 17 on both sides. So we get 17 power 16 into 17 is congruent to 17 power 16 is nothing but 1 into 17 mod 10. Correct. So 1 into 17 is 17. 17 when divided by 10 gives 7 as the remainder. So 17 power 17 is congruent to 7 mod 10. That is the answer. Okay, so the last digit is 7. That is how we should write as. Now, find the last digit if it is in 2 power 20. Again, last two digits. So last two digits from 0 to 99 will get The remainder from 0 to 99 when we divide by the smallest 3-digit number 100. So the question to be taken as 2 power 20 is congruent to x mod 100. X mod 100. So he is asking you what is x. But I know that it is 2 power 9 or anything for that, 2 power 9 or 2 power 10, whichever way you want you can take. So 2 power 9, 2 power 9 is nothing but 512. Whichever is convenient to you, you can take. 512 when divided by 100 gives you 12 mod 100, correct? When 512 divided by 100 gives you 12 as the remainder. Now he's asking 2 power 20. So raise it to the power 2 on both sides. So 2 power 9 the whole square is congruent to 12 square mod 100. 12 square we know that it is 144. 144 divided by 100 gives you 44 mod 100, correct? This is 2 power 18. Now I want 2 power 20. Is it not? So 2 power 18 into 2 square is congruent to 44 into 2 square, that is 4 mod 100. 44 into 4 is 176. So this I can write 2 power 20 is congruent to 116. 176 mod 100. 176 when divided by 100 gives you 76 mod 100. So the last two digits is nothing but 76. So that is how we should end up with the answer. Now we'll move on to the next question. There are 81 boxes with 21 articles in each. When we rearrange all of the articles so that each box has 5 articles, how many articles will be left over without a box? So totally there are, so 81 and 21 is 1701. 1701. This many articles you have arranging in boxes of 5. So 1701 is congruent to x mod 5. So how many articles will be left over? So he's not asking you how many boxes are required. So how many articles will be left over? So what is the remainder? So that is how you should find. So 1701 divide by 5 and write the answer. So it is 3s are 15. Again 20, 4s are 20. 0, 1 it doesn't go. So this is congruent to 1 mod 5. So only one item will be left over without the box. Okay. Next question. It is 7 p.m. correctly. It is 7 p.m. correctly. The time in AM or PM will be in the next 500 hours is what? So he's asking you what will be the timing after 1500 hours. So I'm taking 1500 hours and let me calculate. It's congruent to X mod. You can go either with 12 hours clock or 24 hours clock. It is your choice. I'm going with 12 hours clock. So 1500 is congruent to X mod 12. You can also go with 1500 is congruent to 1500 is congruent to X mod 24. Either case you can do. So now I'll go with the first one. I'll do both the methods. Whichever is convenient to you, you can make use of. So I'm just dividing. So X is nothing but the remainder. So 1500 divided by 12. 12 12s are 144. 16. 5s are 16. So the remainder is 0. Is congruent to 0 mod 12. That is what you get it as. But the quotient is 125, which is a odd number. Correct? Now we'll go with so odd number. If it is even number only because 12 2s are 24, then only you will get it as 7 p.m. again. So since it is an odd number, you can say the answer is 7 a.m. Or else if you go with 24 hours clock, 1500 divided by 24, 24 6 are 24, 144, 60, 2s are 48. So remainder is 12. So I can write this is congruent to 12 mod 24. That is every 24 hours the clock will come to the same time, 7 p.m., 7 p.m., 7 p.m. but the remainder is 12. So the clock will show 7 a.m. Do you understand? Here I am not able to come to the conclusion. Looking at the quotient only I am able to see, but using modulus 24 hours modulus I am able to come to a conclusion, because every 24 hours is the same time which is going to repeat. So whatever is the remainder plus you have to add. Now 7 p.m. the remainder is 12, so the clock will show 7 a.m. Is it clear? Hope you have understood this concept. We'll see in the next video again. Give a big thumbs up if you like, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.